What we've done in the American West and in the East and worldwide is a formula for drought and desertification. So it's a formula. It's like, hey, if we wanted to cause drought and desertification, here it is. We're doing it. So what have we been doing? We've been cutting down all the trees. We've been tilling and killing the soils. We've been draining the stormwater. We don't have to drain everything, in our urban and suburban landscapes. We don't have to drain everything. We don't have to do that. We should design for hydration instead of designing for drainage. What else causes drought and desertification? Cutting down all the trees causes drought and desertification. Tilling and killing all the soils. Tilling, chemical fertilizers, herbicides, all these, cause compaction and soils that cannot drink the rainwater that does come. So it's a formula for drought and desertification. So how fast can we get rid of this stormwater? When we design for drainage, all our urban areas, it's like get rid of this water as quick as we can, including places that don't have a whole lot of rainfall. Places in the West like LA and Arizona are specific places that I've studied, and they have almost as much rainfall as would be required to meet their needs, but they get rid of that and then ship in their water from elsewhere. What's up with that? So, so how fast can we get rid of this stormwater? Means stormwater could be a resource, but we treat it as a plague or a nuisance. So we should harvest stormwater. We should design for drainage. We should buy food grown in healthy, absorbent, living soils. Buy locally. If you buy locally or grow locally, it's more likely that insofar as we need to dedicate acreage to agriculture, it's going to nurture our water cycles instead of causing drought and desertification. So we should call to action number 3 or 4. We should reduce mowing, allowing grass and tree seedlings to grow. Reduce mowing. Plants are a reservoir for water. If we cut too much, mow too much, clear too much, then we're eliminating a reservoir for water. So we're eliminating the water that's there, and we're removing a mechanism, if you will, to capture more water, to harvest more rainwater. Plants harvest rainwater. So let's keep that rainwater, or let's keep the plants so that they can harvest more rainwater. Another thing is we should stop equating deforestation with development. Hey, we're going to cut down this forest so we can develop. Well, hey, how about we develop a regenerative forest? How about if we develop regenerative farms? How about if we develop regenerative landscaping? That would be development in an important and meaningful sense of the word. So we should stop equating deforestation with development. And last point, CO2 is at best a partial cause of the droughts in the American West. At best, a partial cause. Carbon dioxide, greenhouse gases, climate change, global warming. Look at all that drought. We've got the worst drought in 1,200 years. That's true. But what's the cause of it? Climate change! No, climate change. Drought is climate change. Drought is not caused by climate change. Drought is climate change. And drought is caused by all these things I've mentioned here. All the things we do to cause drought and desertification. So the last point it says, but it's all people talk about. Why? Meaning it's all that the media is willing to tell you. Every now and then the media will tell the truth in very limited ways about the true cause of climate change, the true cause of drought and desertification, but usually they don't. They're not telling you the truth about what's happening and the cause of it. So please click like and subscribe.